Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we are unboxing Ipsy Plus for the month of January, as well as giving one of these items to one of you. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned, watching, whatever. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of January. It is the Violet Vase Violet Sunset palette. Looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It'll talk about how to enter this one as well as my current giveaways that I've got going on. For this one, there's a spot in the description box. It'll say for this giveaway, and you just have to be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription, makeup, skincare. Their plus is 5 full-size items. So let's get into it. Let's see what I got. So the pluses come in this little drawstrings bag. This is the one for January. They say pastel pink, soft yellow, wisps of white, and pinks of blue, like a beautiful sunrise. January's multicolor bag are here to start the year with bliss. The first item that I am pulling out is from Polar. It is the Eternal Snow Youthful Promise Cream. It does retail for $57.48 and help improve the skin elasticity. Check. Deeply moisturizing? Check. Help smooth fine lines and wrinkles? Check. Leave your skin looking luminous? Also check. This anti-aging cream truly has it all. So that's kind of cool. I haven't tried that one before. The Polar products that I have tried in the past, I do really like. From Lauren Conrad is a lipstick in the color Shell. It does retail for $20. Looks like this. This is really pretty. Here's what this looks like. Sure, this lipstick is the perfect neutral shade and leaves the lips soft and moisturizers. But can we talk about the packaging? It's made from Super Crane Biosintrin, eco-friendly and fully recyclable. Love that. Here's a brand that I don't think I've ever tried anything from. This is Formula Z Cosmetic Glitz Cosmic Glitz palette. I did pick this one. It does retail for $25. Here's what it kind of looks like. Super pretty. I don't want to swatch it right now because I don't know if I'm going to save it for if I do it for a giveaway like this, or I'm just going to use it, or if I'm going to put it in a different giveaway or today's giveaway. I don't know what I'm going to do, and I don't give away swatched and used items, so I'd rather save it till I kind of figure it out. It does say that complete with 6 gorgeous shades from shimmery blues and purples to neutral mattes. This palette is a perfect addition to your makeup bag all year long. The next item I did pick out as well. There's 2 of them in here. This is the Bella in Argent 8 free nail polish dramatic duo in Laugh Right Back and What We Believe. I love Bella and Argent. They were also the first band to ever follow me over on Instagram, which you guys can too. That's BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. You can also follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. But I mean, look at this lipstick packaging. That's a Bella and Argent packaging. Gorgeous. So here are the nail shades. It look like this. Super gorgeous. This one kind of matches what I have a little bit on today. So the set does retail for $22. Your DIY mani just got way faster. This gorgeous pale nude and rich plum polishes come with an extra wide brush, making it easy to coat your entire nail in a few quick strokes. Love. So excited for these. Another brand that I haven't really heard of before Danessa Myricks Beauty Vivid Flush in Bread and Butter Lipstick. It is completely sealed, so I don't want to open it because I'm not quite sure if that's a shade that I would wear or not. Does retail for $20. This is not a lipstick, this is a face color. Talk about a multitasker. This versatile liquid pigment can be used on your eyes, it can be used on your lips and cheeks. It provides soft but buildable wash of soft pink color. So I thought it was an okay box. I really like things that I picked out. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. So some of you know I'm kind of going through some stuff right now and could really use all the prayers that you've got. So the secret word for today is prayer. If you don't believe in prayer, that's okay too. I completely understand. So let's give away that Danessa Myricks Beauty Velvet Flush Bread and Butter eyes, lip, and cheek color for you guys in today's giveaway. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. Will get you one. If you follow me on Twitter, that will get you one. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra one as well. Just mark on the form that you did those bonus entries. And if you did do so, make sure you do, because I do check. Only fill out that form once. YouTube is no affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you guys to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through, I think it's February 11th. Let me check. Yeah, February 11th at midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on February 16th, we'll do our spin the wheel. We'll put in everybody's first name, first initial from the entry forms, as well as if they have bonus entries or not. Computer spins it, computer picks it. I don't, so don't ask to win. As soon as the giveaway's over and I mail out the prizes, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when to upload. I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on this channel, trying to do giveaway from each of my unboxings. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.